So we're here today with one of our favorite builders, Insight Homes, an energy efficient builder. We're here with Samantha Bowersox in the Cattail Creek community. Very excited about the new listings that are coming in this community as it comes out of the ground. Samantha, if you don't mind, tell us a little bit about the community. What's important for people to know?
So Cattail Creek is a great community. Buyers are really interested in being just a mile away from Route 1. There's convenience in that, but then there's still the rural feel of inside the community.
So the community feels very private. You got some space from your neighbors, but still close enough to feel like a community.
Yeah, it's definitely a close-knit community. People are so excited to be in an Insight home. You'll see them walking around. They talk to our prospects and, really encourage them to move here because they're having a great experience.
What do you think most people like about this community versus some of the other communities that you've worked in and sold?
It has a very low HOA, so it's just enough to keep it nice looking, but not too expensive to where they feel like, it's too much out of pocket.
For the buyer for this community, where are they commuting from? What is it ideal to? And what does that look like for somebody who this would be a perfect community for that may not know about it?
So a lot of people are looking to relocate from New York or New Jersey, and this is our furthest north community, so they're excited to be, far enough north.
About an hour from Wilmington, right? You can be commutable about two and a half hours from the city?
Yeah, and we're about 12 minutes from a bus station, which is added convenience, right? They can just drive up there, leave their car, and still commute to see their family back in New Jersey or New York.
40 minutes to the beaches?
Yeah, absolutely,
and 20 minutes from Dover.
Yeah, and depending on which beach, they're just 6 minutes away from Bowers Beach. Yeah.
So you mentioned that this community is one of the farthest north for Insight Homes, which is a fabulous builder we've had experience with for decades. I actually worked with Rob very early when he was starting the company and that initiative for energy efficiency. For this community, how many homes have been built? How many home sites do you have available? How many are in your next phase? Do you have any premium home sites that are specific of interest? What would be important for somebody to know who's thinking about this community?
We're on phase 2. We've already closed out phase 1. That went through pretty quickly. We just opened phase 2. I'd say we have about 10 lots available currently with future phases to look forward to. So we actually offer pretty much all of our floor plans in this community. My favorite floor plan has to be the Reston that we're standing in. It's our newest floor plan. It comes standard with an office in the front. We have the option to do 2 owner suites, which is great. You can have one upstairs, one downstairs, and there's this beautiful catwalk, which is just breathtaking.
Tell us more about what's so special about Insight Homes, some of the features that they include.
Oh, that's easy. Insight Homes is a zero energy ready home builder. So we are providing things like 2x6 exterior walls, blown in insulation. We have a very high R49 value insulation in our ceilings, and they give all of that as standard, including solar panels on the home.
So solar panels are included on every home in this community?
Correct, at no cost to the buyer. They own them, they are not leased. So
that's amazing.
Thank you.
What are the bills that you see?
Oh, we've seen $30 bills for a customer who has a 2,000 square foot home. So
$30.
$30 a month. Our competitors being Energy Star, there's a big difference in a HER score between us and them. Ours is about 1/5 of what theirs is.
Wow.
Yeah, close to 1/5, yeah.
Okay.
So with that, of course, they're saving probably a couple $100s on their energy bill every month, depending on usage. I have friends who live in resale homes. They're paying $500 a month, which is unheard of in an Insight home. You're never going to be that high.
If somebody has an individual home site or maybe doesn't want to be in a community per se, can they build off-site if they have a lot? Can they work with you to build on something together with you? Do you have some lots that you're working with?
Yeah, absolutely. We offer build on your own lots. I would say a majority of them are in Delaware, but we actually spread out to Maryland as well. So definitely some flexibility there. They do not have to be in a community.
Thanks for all the information, Samantha. I think this really helps. If you'd like a little bit more information about the community, send me an email or you can book some time on our calendar. We can get you together with Samantha. Thanks so much for taking the tour with us. We look forward to seeing you guys sometime soon.